Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to download Windows 11 and how to make a bootable USB of Windows 11. So in this video we're going to download Windows 11 officially from Microsoft website. So let's head to the Google. We're going to Google Windows 11 download. Sorry, I spelled wrong. So the top search option, we have Windows 11 from Microsoft. So rather getting Windows 11 from different websites, we can install Windows directly officially from Microsoft. So we're gonna open this link. So here we have on this landing page, we have these options. So scroll down and then you will find, select the Windows edition. So this is the multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Gonna choose that and confirm. Select the language, so we're gonna go with English United States. Confirm. Here we go, our download link is ready, so verify your download. This link is valid for 24 hours. So the second you hit this button, so here the download has started and Windows 11 25H2 we're getting. So it's gonna take few hours. Actually my internet is extremely bad today, sorry about that. After getting this image, you can open Rufus 4.11 and you can use Rufus to create a bootable USB flash drive. So here you can select an image. So if you select an image, you can select the Windows 11 25H2, but right now I already have Windows 11 24H2, but I'm not gonna install Windows 24H2 version. I'm gonna get the latest 25H2, which we are getting already. So that's how you install Windows 11. It's extremely easy, not that big. And thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.